You're late. Oh, I'm saying, here we go on daybreak.
I think she's a beauty.
I'm definitely getting this yellow dress. Love it. Welcome to or back to the channel. I'm Shawna. Welcome to another vlog, a weekend in the life in New York City. Today was a fun-filled day, filled with laughter, activities. Went to do a couple shopping here and there for my international trip. So excited for the end of this month. You guys do not want to miss my international trip that is coming up in the next 2.5 weeks. Oh my god, I am excited for myself. But I'm here in New York, Manhattan. Love the view from my hotel room. Love it. I'm currently going to have dinner with Antonio at a Caribbean restaurant. Don't remember the name right now, but definitely will let you guys know. But please enjoy this vlog. Look how beautiful this is. I would love to have a view like this right by the water in my own apartment. Dear future husband, this is what our life is going to look like from our apartment. Ugh, love it. When I was on the water today, the water does something to Shawna. Trust me. Outfit for tonight: jeans from Fashion Nova, top from Fashion Nova, bag YSL, slippers are Gucci. Going to have dinner with my friend, have a couple drinks, because if you know, you know, I am by myself in Charlotte. So when I can get a weekend getaway, what? I am here. I don't know why I keep on gaining so many weight, but hey, let's go. Time goes by very fast when you're having fun, right? Because this weekend seems shorter to me than when I'm home. If you don't like, we're going down. I'm all the way on the 30th floor. If you don't like be careful of how you spend your hours, it's like the weekend is just slip right through your hands. Can you believe I'm leaving tomorrow? It went by quick, no? Yep. Real fast. Antonio wants to go to Burna Boy's concert tonight. They're having one here in New York tonight, and he's pressuring me to go, and I don't care to go. Yes, you are. You've been asking me over and over.
I asked Chris like two times.
No, you asked like before I got here. You asked me over and over, and you're giving me scenarios why I should go. It's true.
I was just trying to make suggestions because it seems like I don't want to do. It's just restaurants and eat, come over sleep.
No problem. If I want to go to restaurants and eat, nothing is wrong with that. So. You want to go to the concert, so you want to go.
I would mind.
Listen, I like some of his music. Most of the time, I don't know what he's saying. So why would I go to a concert and stand up and jump when I don't know what you're saying?
Good time and wonderful night.
A good time?
And a wonderful night.
Cheers. Plantains, Atkins saltfish for appetizer. Tell me, why is this fish so big? I know upon camera you can't see how big it is.
Yeah, I'll put up next to you.
Like seriously. A view of the bridge, the Brooklyn Bridge that Antonio didn't realize that we were going on the Brooklyn Bridge a couple days ago. Shame on you. We're at the pier taking pictures. Guys, do not invite Antonio over your house, okay? It's going to want to use the bathroom. It's going to want to use your bathroom so many times. Like, I don't know what's going on, but Antonio always needs to go to the bathroom. I don't know why. Why you go to the bathroom so much time? You come like dog. As you eat, you go bathroom. Like, come on, man. Like,
It's not scandal my name, okay?
it's not scandal. Like, every time, even come on Charlotte the other day. Oh my God, Antonio finished with one roll of tissue.
Right.
One roll. You must stop it, man. You better have no manners. For me, whenever I'm not home, I cannot do number two. I'm so ready to call tonight a wrap. I'm so ready. Move my stuff. You smell up. You smell up poop. No, but don't know why you go to the toilet so many times. You need to cut it out. I'm so ready to go back in the hotel and lay down and sleep for my breakfast party tomorrow. That's why I'm really here for breakfast party and to do shopping. So this so answer scam. So this is what I'm doing, walking around as if I'm a tourist. I'm not. I'm ready to get my beauty rest.
I would like to know also that info about all to Jamaica. Please do tell. Oh. I was being hit.
Your stomach.
Stomach get to interrupt, you know.
I'm going to leave Antonio out by the pier because apparently Antonio is in love. So I'm going to go back up to my hotel. I'm going to pack my stuff for tomorrow because my flight leaves tomorrow at 7 p.m. at JFK. So I'm going to pack my stuff, get my outfit out for my breakfast party tomorrow. I'm so excited to turn up. So excited to turn up tomorrow for my breakfast party. So I'm going to pack my stuff and take a nap because if I don't get my beauty rest, I cannot function. In order for me to have fun tomorrow, I need to get some sleep. So it's a wrap for me. I see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, happy Sunday. The day is finally here for the breakfast party and time for me to go home. After the breakfast party, I have like 3 hours to get to the airport, so I will give you guys a better outfit look in the mirror over there. The lighting is not all that good, but I'm going to try my best, or when Antonio gets here, I'm going to ask him to, you know, give me a quick look. But I'm going to miss waking up to this beautiful view. Oh, I love this view. I'm going to miss this view for sure. Let's go see what this breakfast party is all about. They announced 2 days ago that the party will be held at a golf club in Bronx. I was like, Bronx? But yeah, that's where I'm going. I will get the name and let you guys know the name of the golf club. But I look at chill in a comfortable, you know, outfit. So let's go. Antonio just messaged is downstairs. I'm going to check out from my room and ask downstairs if I could leave my bags there, because after the party it's like I gotta go to the airport. So yeah, let's go have some food and let's go have fun. I love it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Guys, comment, subscribe, and like. I love to interact with you guys in the comment section. This weekend went by so fast. If I was back home in Charlotte by myself, this would not have happened. I think like I missed half day out of this weekend. I missed half day. This weekend went by so fast, but let's go enjoy what's left of today. I wish the light in here would be a bit brighter, but a quick outfit, bag YSL that I've been wearing all weekend. Got this pantsuit from Glam Doll in Queens, New York. Bridget slippers, nice colorful breakfast party look. I am loving this pantsuit. I wish they had it in different colors. Antonio, that's the way to go to the Brooklyn Bridge, okay? I know you did not know, but yes, that's the way to go to the Brooklyn Bridge, bud. Because my another ring from my finger, I can't open the door.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
I'm good, sir. Thanks, sir. Okay, right.
They need to have a course. Or a guy should treat a lady.
Yeah, okay. So I'm trying to use wet. Oh, I just got to
Because this right here, it's not cute. But tell us to me a trial wife, you know. But tell us to me it's a trial wife. And you're not even opening the door for your trial wife. What's going on? It's a dirty piece of shit. But you shouldn't have two hands. Guys, do not settle for less. You hear me say? If the wife doesn't have two hands, do not settle for less. We're on our way to Bronx. Oh, what's the name of the golf court?
Mosholo.
What?
Mosholo.
Mahu?
Mosholo.
Mosholo? Or Mosholo?
Mosholo.
Mosholo? Mosholo? What if I have attitude? Is it Mosholo?
Like you're playing that play?
I'm not playing. What's the name of it?
It's Mosholo.
Mosholo?
Yeah, get on that.
Okay, so we're going to Mosholo Golf Club. I know that's not whatever, but we're going there.
It's true. Mosholo. M-O-S-H-U-L-U.
Spell it for us.
M-O-S-H-U-L-U.
Okay. It's in his feelings, okay?
And feelings.
I think I keep on saying this, but I think this weekend went by so fast. They have a saying that the way a guy treats his mom, that's crap. You think it's crap?
It's not always true.
No, they have a saying that the way a guy treats his sister and his mom, that's the way he's going to treat his wife. Yeah. The way you treat your best friend, the way you treat your best female friend, that's the way you're going to treat your wife. And it's poorly.
Not true.
It's poorly. I don't know why guys that think they have a little coins, they feel like because they have little coins, they could lock in other areas. I don't know why. It's just so not cute at all. Not cute. That's why most of the times they're old and they become sugar daddies. Oftentimes you find them have money when they're older with no wife, no kids around, just a couple young females that trying to look a come up. And this is cute. So they pick you up at the entrance and then they take you to go forward to the party. Not bad at all.
One level, get to another level.
Pardon?
Get out of one level, get to another one.
Thank you. It's cute walking in. So far look cute. Loving the vibe. Everyone is polite and nice. Love the welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Any cups, fans, umbrellas?
It's gonna be mad hot, huh?
Might rain later.
Some one pink. Just take one blue. Give me the fan. What the cup for?
Huh?
We need your own cups? Can I have one in the plastic? Do you mind? No, could I have my cup in the plastic? Thank you very much, sir. So they have this thing that's complimentary with your, you know, your money. You want an umbrella? Yeah, man. Do you want a cup? Oh. It's not bad. Look at me in New York in a party when I should be home getting ready for work tomorrow. Looks like it's going to be a rainy day. Will never be the same.
It's your first
Okay, so picture is out of the way. Got some lovely photos.
Nobody knows. I think she's a beauty. And when the baseline comes, she lets her hair fall.
Check on the child, go and get familiar with the place. Find the bar, find the food stand. Ladies ready? Alright, treat you.
Every man want a girl with drive Lexus. Want to the girl let me drive Bambas. Who take old taxi and go a cactus. Every man want a girl who big and no brand. Who have them own a house after like a money hand. If I know how to live, then I'm the intelligence in the home.
Can we party?
You can be last night in the
We're not right there. Ladies, I want you to check on the track now. Why now? Who not ready? Dog, it's like, oh, y'all can't do like you. Oh, na, na, na. If you're not dancing, so put your hands up now. Ready? And if it was it's a yeah. Ready? I will have it like
Vision all proud Jamaica, turns up on sing. Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. But when we there, yeah, nothing nice like Jamaica. Cause we're fruit and banana. Let's go! Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping on the river when me ready for pain. No boy can buy me out. Me no foreign minded now you compare to Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica! You wanna see?
If you're proud to be Jamaican, put your two hands in the air right now. I'm proud Jamaica, put your two hands in the air right now. Motherfucker. In the beer never sex you, put your two hands by your blood clean. Every girl put your hand on my head. Turn it up now. From your.
You say you had from the man.
Okay. Every girl will have more $3,000 my bank say money.
Whatever.
Say what?
I want some y'all are study Them argue over my them. See them worry about when it's girl. They run us say them eat me do them here. Can't see them. Can't see this.
All the girls never don't need a man to survive. Put your hand and see. Put your hand and see.
Man, I believe stop me left. You can't feel me. Tell a girl she pick up with a argument then.
Don't tell me lie. If you have money in a bank account, I put a dirty girl. Say what? You're too high to eat that gunfight. You're too another one.
Them a sit me out. No man can't say me if I make you my style that. Put me high to me with flap that. Hear me when I'm on it. That.
All the women with a 9 to 5. If you have a 9 to 5, we have a...
Give me money. Now I'm an independent lady. Na 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 na. Me a nobody can cause in a real.
Introducing Vanessa.
Don't tell the lie, don't tell the lie.
Girls asleep.
Don't tell the lie.
In the girl them with
Don't tell the lie.
man say.
Never beat her. Me said that.
Hold on. Alright? Remember how you say it, you know? Call out your man, me. I want you shooty. I girl there with gunman. I wish girl said Devin Dixon. Polish, you know ya. What with that? Eh? Jesus Christ. You know I'm a cuss no bad word. But the song I forget a bad word and I take it out of my peer. All I girl them don't like your baby father say suck your mother boy.
Thank you, Jesus. We get rid of the boy.
Get
rid of the boy.
Love me, man.
Process in my life.
Amen. Get the boy out of my life.
Amen.
Them boy don't got nobody. Me no start girl, me have vastly. I'm a spin tongue girl, love calling. I'm a big woman girl, we do a body.
Hey, you girl, you're so
bars. I'm a you girl, love some. You know me now, I fuck my fat. Big girl in the bandit.
What you do? What? Hey, why the time now? Look, mix it over Polish. We need to cut out the sub here. The man them need to stop come and party with them woman and watch them woman and wine and them stand up and screw up on the girl. Wipe by your blood clean to man, hey boy, every beat of a boy ever, you know. Every man wipe by that girl. Wipe by that girl. Wipe. Hey, find a man to wipe by.
Your skin out. Me pussy does a jump so. Can't do no jazz when me pump.
Watch out.
Eat up me pussy like a kong. Nah, eat like a kong.
Ladies, pull up. When the makeup done fuck up already. So it don't make sense you run. Just stay in the rain and party. Some man don't know now bring back the clothes, so they don't want to wet it up. The girl never now bring back the clothes and no. The girl never know say your makeup can come up and you spill blood clot pretty say. Okay, get from the rain. Your shoulder now, and if you're not a selector, come off of the stage. Up here is not no shelter, up enough arm, no.
Get the cheddar, if you don't like that. Basics, what up? How are the rebound?
You saw me, I forget that I saw.
Say what?
My head, I went to Aja. You do love blacks on the floor, sing smarter. She has to jump and drive chata. Me girl,
Yo,
not the car, she not smarter.
Hey, I went away upon karma. From the Gaxiana. Keep us free from Sing up to our leader. True love. Can me catch this? Justice, Judy, and forever. Yo, the sing, if you're broke, say what Jamaica. Jamaica.
Say you're back from Bridgeboro.
Yeah, yeah.